Today let's take a look at Milwaukee's 3/8 impact driver. This thing is awesome if you've got some nuts and bolts to remove. I love the stubbiness of this. It's just awesome. This is a kit that comes with two different batteries. You've got a 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour. It also comes with a charger. Now this charger you can mount onto a wall or a board or whatever you want to do. And it comes with a small carrying bag. It's a soft shell carrying bag. The unit itself, 3/8. That's for your sockets. Slide a battery in here. I think it's great that they gave us two different sizes. I myself prefer the slimmer size, but you know, if you've got a lot of impacting to do or bolt removals or whatever, then yeah, definitely the 4 amp hour is where it's at. So you got the LED light in the front. You've got the forward and reverse on the side here. You've got the small belt clip. And then up top, we've got the different modes. So 1, 2, 3, and then this little guy. Essentially what they do is each mode allows you to take off nuts and bolts or put them on at different rates of speed. The curly Q one allows you to take the bolts off without spinning them off too fastly, so that's nice. And it's got a nice metal construction up in the front. This is all plastic, good feeling in the hand. I'm a big lover of the M12 tools. As you can see here and up here, I've got a lot of M12 tools. It's sort of my go-to with Milwaukee. I love it. I think it's so powerful for such a small little design. Now this tool has 250 foot-pounds of breakaway torque on it. Not too bad. I don't think you're going to be doing big lug nuts on vehicles with this. This is more for getting into the actual engine compartment for a vehicle per se. For myself, I'm using this primarily in construction, you know, tightening up bolts and things on metal beams. I don't do a lot of automotive work, so it doesn't really apply to me. And that's where Milwaukee really shines, is with their automotive tools. This kind of falling into that category as well. Really depends on what you want it for, but I love this little guy. I think it's super handy. All right, guys, I hope the video was helpful. Until next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.